Today, we're talking about how to fix the D80 error code on your LG dryer. If you've seen that pop up and aren't sure what to do next, don't worry. We'll walk you through it step by step. This issue is more common than many people realize, so you're definitely not alone. What does the D80 code actually mean? Basically, it means your dryer is having trouble pushing air out, and it usually happens when there's a buildup of lint somewhere in the vent system. And if that's not fixed, it can mess with how well your dryer works or even cause overheating. And in some cases, the dryer will even reduce heating power to protect itself. First thing you want to do is take out the lint filter. It's right there in the front. Pull it out and give it a good clean. If your model has screws holding the filter housing in place, go ahead and remove those carefully. They're small, so don't lose them. A flashlight can help if it's dark inside the compartment. You might find more lint hiding down there than you'd expect. Next, look inside the filter slot. Even if you've cleaned it before, lint can build up deep inside where vacuums can't reach. If you see any buildup, try using a dryer lint brush or something flexible to drag the lint forward. Once it's loose, vacuum it out. Take your time here because this step makes a huge difference in airflow. Now, check the vent hose on the back of the dryer and the exterior vent outside your home. Make sure nothing's kinked, smashed, or completely blocked. Birds love to nest in those outside vents, so definitely give it a look. Sometimes you might even find leaves, debris, or clumps of damp lint stuck in the cover. Once everything's cleared out, put the filter and housing back in, reconnect the vent if you disconnected it, and run a quick cycle. If all went well, that D80 error should be gone and the dryer should be running smoothly. If the error comes back, it might mean your vent is extra long or needs a deeper professional cleaning. But for most people, clearing the lint and checking the airflow solves the problem right away. Happy LG using!